So today we are here with our congratulations gifts and our interpretation of what a congratulations gift should look like.
Yeah, these are. This is another from the storyboard of major gift occasions in the UK or in Ireland, Europe, wherever. And these are our stories of when you would send congratulations gifts and how you would put it together, rather than sending the more familiar or customary flowers or bottle of something, or what other things would you send? A voucher or a hamper or something like that. So whilst we do produce hampers, we're looking for to move into more of the realm of general what type of gifts you send to congratulate people, businesses, or someone else. So congratulations gifts, and when you try to do that, you've got to make your congratulations gift unique, different, tell a story, interesting. And so in so doing, you can copy some of those stories. You can create your own story with the gift basket that you put together. We've got a couple of gifts here, and they're called, this one here, for instance, is called Congratulations Family Announcement Gift.
Yeah, and I've got Congratulations Gift from Afar.
Okay, so you can even already see from that a couple of the storylines, because we've got a number of stories through our brand or whatever, and we're just sort of explaining how we come up with those stories so that each story is personal. We've obviously taken stories according to our customers over the 20 years of what they wish to, of the message they wish to send and how they wish to present that message. You can send your message through these the gifts that you put together. Yeah. So these are just some of the ideas and how we express those thoughts. Let's take a look at this one and let's break it down in terms of what we put into it there, which sort of captures those philosophies and those thoughts that somebody that was making it from home could say, okay, well, that's a good idea. I like that idea. I don't want to send flowers. I know they don't drink, and I don't want to order it on a standard hamper, and I don't want a voucher. How do I order an experience? You know what I mean? And then they're going to be free to do it. I want something tangible. I want something physical, and I want to do it beautifully. So let's break down what we've got here.
So we have kind of finished ours with a cake and a balloon, both that say congratulations on the front. And although ours is on the wrapper, you can go in and you can get things kind of iced onto cakes.
You could go and you can go to a local baker and say, hey, put congratulations onto that and pipe it onto it. We've just simply selected a fresh chocolate cake and labeled it because that's what is popular. But you can customize, personalize that to the extent that you wish.
And in a time of, celebration, obviously both of these have our chocolates, so something celebratory there. If I'm going to celebrate, I want to, it wants to feel like a celebration. You don't celebrate with an apple. You celebrate. So that is our kind of, it's chocolatey, it's sweet, but it doesn't have to be chocolate. Like we have
we've got the tea in here.
Yeah, we've got this is a wafer bar. It's milk chocolate wafer bar, but different
if I was
textures and stuff.
If you were to sort of pick out the snacky types of things there, they've all got a feature. They're all linked with palm oil free, vegan, healthier but nice. And it sort of introduces people to, I'm very, very fussy. I know it sounds hard to believe, but I'm really, really fussy about what we buy. And I won't buy something which is not nice because it's healthier. I go, no, it has to be healthy and nice. So you can see a range of these ideas and concepts or whatever. This is probably one of the most interesting ones for you to put, okay, hey, I would love to put together a congratulations gift basket. It's easy to do. It's just have a story that you wish to promote. Have an idea of who you're sending it to, why it's important for you to send a congratulations gift, and then just modify your budget accordingly. Find a nice container and put a selection. If you can't get the a congratulations cake. You can't get a congratulations a congratulations card. That's how we started.
Yeah.
And then build a variety
Around it.
of nice foods and whatever that can then be presented as a great solution for your as a congratulations gift. Okay, thank you.